What is up, you guys? It's me, Nubia, here, and on today's video I will be doing an updated braid out video. If you're wondering, the first braid out video that I did very well. It was one of the first videos I uploaded on my channel. It'll be linked up above. It was way longer than it is now, but I'm gonna do an updated one for shorter locks and we're gonna go from there. So let's just get started. This should be a very quick video. Let's go. What will you need before you start this braid out tutorial? First you'll need is one, damp hair. Whether you wash it, which I think is best, is to do these styles on your hair before you wash them, or whether you take a little spray bottle, spray each one. The curls won't last as long, but they will look good if you're going for a night out or you're going for like a 2-day trip, whatever it is. And next, you will absolutely need rubber bands. So little tiny rubber bands like these, you know. I used to go to the hair store a lot, so these are 1,000 and these has lasted me a very long time. I like to reuse rubber bands, but the more oil they get on them, the easier they are to come apart. So boom, that is what you will be absolutely needing. What can you add to your braid outs, your lock curls, whatever you're doing that will make your hair last longer, look better, and be healthier? Number one is some oil. Use some oil. I make my own oil right here. Oil your locks before you style them so that by the time you take your locks out, you don't have to worry about oiling them again over and over and messing up your curls soon, you know? Mist. I take some mist. I should have said mist first, but mist before you oil. I just use this to refresh my locks. Use it just in case I feel like my hair is getting dry, whatever. And then this right here, mousse, setting mousse for braiders. Okay, there's this. So that's all you're gonna need for this. Let's just get right into it, okay? Okay, now I gotta teach folks how to braid. You know I had to double it. Now, if you don't know how to braid, I'll try and teach you, but I just can't even think of like what to say in that case. But let me tell you something. So if you all see the size of my locks, right? I don't think they're sister locks. I don't think they're micro locks, but I don't think they're regular locks. They're the step right below it. And between, I mean, right below locks and before sister locks. So boom. All I'm gonna say is I'm gonna try to show you. So depending on how many locks are in each braid is how your curls will be. So I feel like 6 is the perfect one for me, but because I'm feeling like I don't really want to be sitting here all day doing hair, I'm gonna do like 8 in each. I'm gonna do 9. So we're gonna do 9 this time around, y'all. Let me just spray just a little more. Let's just get started. The front ones, I usually like to only do 6, but we're not gonna switch up anything. Nobody gets special treatment around here. So let me go ahead and twist my edges into this lock because what? You need to braid to hair while it's damp and not super duper wet. So I grabbed 3 in each hand. I'll just show y'all up close what it looks like. Braiding the front too tight because it's my edges, you know? So and you could braid down or you could braid very tight and right under. I like to do down because down gives looser braids because I'm gonna keep the braids in tomorrow, but the curls are also looser, which makes for longer looking hair, if y'all get what I mean. I don't know how to explain it. When my hair was really long, it was like really easy to just braid down, but the difference is like down is like you're just braiding down. Under is like you're tucking that bit, like a box braid vibe. This ain't that, so you know how I like to do. And boom, got this right here. And just like that, now you know what the rest of this will entail. Let's get going, okay? And really I'm gonna just do the whole crown. So yes, I am complete with it. Here is my little 360. Y'all see? I have about 9 in each on this side, but I have about 7, 8, and like a couple 10s on this side because I have way more locks on this side than I do this side. The locks on this side, of course, are thinner than they are on this side. So there's that. So this is what my hair looks like, y'all. And I'm actually not going to sit under the dryer. Now that my hair is shorter this time around, it's not going to take that long to dry. So this should be dry by not tomorrow, but the day after that. So I'm going to come back the day after that, y'all. But on a regular day, if I was rushing, say, you know, like whatever event I had to go to was coming on tomorrow, I would probably put on my little hoodie, my little makeshift dryer hoodie, put it on cool, probably stay under there for 2 hours. So yeah, but other than that, this is what I'm sticking with right here, y'all. So I will catch y'all in technically a day and a half. Y'all, I realized while I was braiding that I forgot to put the mousse on. So it's still gonna be the same. I don't know what it is with mousse and without mousse, but I feel like regardless, it's still gonna be the same. The only reason why I tell y'all to use mousse is, especially if you're not washing your hair before, I like to just use this. I just like to use it. Like, I just like to use it. That's mostly what it is. So I'm gonna put some on, okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and go through these braids. I probably should sit under the dryer a little bit now that I'm doing it this way. Sleeping with, okay.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
This is cute. That's so cute.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
Okay, I'm about to do my edges, y'all. Y'all, this is the final look. Y'all know, like I did in my last video, let's do our microwave. Yes, okay. I like it because the brown's kind of matching my outfit a little bit. But I really do like it, y'all. Y'all let me know how you feel. I braided down, so the curls are like a lot more wavier than they are crinkly, at least to me. Usually they look like ramen noodles, but this time around I braided down, so I actually prefer braiding down and then braided tight at the root, because at the root, this is probably going to be the first place to like really fall before the rest of the curls do. So yeah, so that's why I did that. But yeah, y'all like it? I love it. I actually really love it. I have not done curls in my hair since I first moved here, which was a year ago, y'all. Like, I have not braided my hair for a year, which is crazy. So boom, if you guys have any questions on what I use, anything, just comment below. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Subscribe, please subscribe, y'all. We're close to 2,000, so let's try to let's try to get there. See you later.